Hi boys, girls and Mercedes-Benz. That's because it's 2025 and I can identify whatever I want, so I identify in a Mercedes-Benz. We have just done the pictures for making the Mercedes an historic vehicle with the paper that certifies that this is an historic vehicle with all the details and technicals, data and stuff. We can go to a test and then she'll give us plates. Not that simple. We are trying to make it. We have to take it out outside, make some good pictures. I don't film this boring, but I want to tell you what we are gonna do in this video. We are gonna install some parts as always.
It's important to take care of the place where you work.
Now we are doing a little bit of gardening, and while the guys are gardening, one is up there, one is on the other side. We will install two new parts. I've ordered two parts. One is this switch, because the one it's on is kinda wobbly and simply broken. I've ordered a new leather gear cover and a new gear shift handle. And here we are, the new switch. That's OEM, used but it's OEM. New leather and new handle. There we have the oil pump for the Panda and the distribution kit. That's the distribution belt. We're gonna replace it, but first we have to take off the engine. So the main goal in this video is to replace these two simple parts and start stripping apart the Panda engine. So let's go. Only clips. There is the connector, other connectors, and I don't see any screws at all. Now let's pull the end brake, and since these are all clips, I don't want to strip it apart. Easy. It came off really easily. Now I will disconnect these cables and reinstall the brand new one. The situation is this. I have this in my hand. That's the old one. Here you can see three lines. I think these are under pressure lines that regulates the height of the lights. So first position, second and third. And basically you have three vacuum lines and connectors for the lights. So a couple of bolts. I will remove it, all of this, and install the brand new one.
Look at the rear wheels. Look at the rear wheels.
Yo, boy! Bang back. Hey. We take it down, this panel, we take it off completely, and we replace this. This is the light switch. As you can see, this one kind of wobbly-bobbly. So we have installed a brand new one. Take it off. You have a couple of bolts, like right here, there, on the bottom part, there, and two remaining on this side, there and there. So let's put all together. That's the old one, and that's the brand new one without holes. This is the last piece to go on while you finish putting all the screws. Reconnect all the vacuum lines and the light here for the illumination right on this side. Then sliding in, you can see this clip literally slides in, and then press it down like brand new. New leather, new gear shift handle. Also we discovered some new leaks there. Now let's go with taking apart all the engine. First step, the wheels. We need to remove it from the bottom. I've just discovered that the steering wheel oil, it's completely empty, and that's because there is a leak. It's not even difficult to diagnose. We're gonna strip apart the steering wheel pump and rebuild it. For the rebuild, hope this will work. Now Thomas is removing stuff on the transmissions, the 4x4 control and all the gears, cables and... One side is completely removed. Keep going. Oh my god, look at that Panda's hands. Yes. Listen, listen. In the meantime, I've just repaired the silencer. I've just shown you that was completely folding, so I made this pretty good. We're gonna see if it hold. Nice.
You're lifting up. Down. Eccolo qua. Vabbè, ma sai che le lascio? Ma aspetta. Ce la facciamo giusto. Buono, buono.
Se no, Max, vai a sederti nel baule.
No, no, fermo. A parte che volendo fai uscita.
Sediti nel baule.
Però non posso. Aspetta, aspetta. Sì, ma qua la stavolta non è fermata. La capita che stiamo un po' imbarcando. Quello che
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and leave a like and a comment. Bye!
Not a jacker in sight, and everything is alright. I got a beat